What up mga idolo? For today's video, we're gonna talk about fuel oil leakage alarm on generator. The main purpose of this alarm is to avoid major oil spill and fire in the engine room. There are two ways to verify fuel oil leakage alarm. Either you can see it externally or check the fuel oil leakage pipe for internal leakage. It is not complicated to find the internal leakage. Be aware that each high pressure pipe is having its own leakage pipe. If you found a leakage pipe which is hotter than the others, it means there's a leaking in that unit. And now I will explain what is happening inside the alarm chamber. So let's start. Basically, this is what inside the leakage chamber alarm. So you have the float sensor or capacitance level sensor, the pipe going to the waste oil tank, and the line from the leakage pipe or fuel pump hot box. The purpose of this small hole is to compensate the small leakage coming from the line. So if there was a small leakage, it will just go here inside and then drain to the waste oil tank. But it's a different story if you have a big leaking. So this small hole will not be enough to drain all the fuel coming from leakage pipe. So this chamber will start to fill up until it reaches the level sensor and activate the level alarm, high level alarm. And then once the oil is here on the top, the oil will go inside the pipe and then drain to the waste oil tank. And once you disregard this alarm, it will just continue filling the waste oil tank. But most of the cases, when you got a high leakage alarm, the only problem is that this small hole is choke or clog. In a generator, there will be always flow of fuel coming from the leakage line. A very tiny flow that if this hole is clogged, it will just start filling the chamber until it reaches the high level alarm. And take note, cleaning of the small hole is difficult. That is because there's no space for your hand, that you only need to use a wire and locating that hole.